What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the OnePlus's upcoming smartphone, and it's not the OnePlus 10 Pro. Instead of that, it's even not the OnePlus Nord 3. It's the OnePlus Nord 2T and it will be coming in some time right now. Now, before getting in this video, if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. The OnePlus Nord 2T is expected to be launching sometime around in the April or the May of this year. And not only that, you can expect the teasers of this smartphone to be coming real soon. Now, with the courtesy of 91 Mobile, we have our expected design language of this OnePlus Nord 2T and the specifications too. It will be coming with a 6.43 inch of a Full HD plus 90 Hz of AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner and a punch-hole selfie camera of 32 megapixels. The processor this time will be an upgrade from MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC to the Dimensity 1300, and also the triple camera setup will most likely to be the same of 50 megapixel of a primary camera, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide and 2 megapixel of a monochrome sensor. The battery capacity is of 4500 mAh of this phone, and it will be included with the 80 watts of fast charger, which will be included in this box itself. Now, talking about the price of this smartphone, what you can expect is from somewhere around between 30,000 to 40,000 rupees, and the base model could come under the 30,000 rupees price segment for the base of 6 plus 128 GB, which is rarely available for the sale. Now, what do you think about this new design of the OnePlus Nord 2T? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.